Good afternoon, everybody. It's my pleasure to be here at BIM Coordinator Summit for another year. We will have a session today about the cloud solution in the BIM field and exploring some of its powerful features. This is our agenda for today's session. After the introduction, we will talk about the cloud definition, and then we'll talk about the benefits of implementing one of the cloud platforms, which is ACC Autodesk Construction Cloud, through a practical application that we implemented in Saudi Diyar. Okay, let's start. This is Mohamed Fawzy. I spent more than 17 years in the BIM field. I have a big experience in implementing BIM in a number of engineering companies. I have the chance to participate in many projects in different countries in Middle East. I am a member in the governmental committee developing the Egyptian BIM code, and currently I am the head of the BIM department at Saudi DR Consultant. So, what do we mean by working on cloud? It means implementing a cloud-based platform to store, manage, and to collaborate between teams on a BIM model in a real time. This enables all project stakeholders to access the latest models, documents, and information from any location, facilitating seamless collaboration and communication. Cloud solutions enhance efficiency, reduce errors, and ensure that everyone is working with the most up-to-date information, which is an essential tool for modern, large-scale BIM projects. How does the cloud work? The cloud hosts several key services, including servers, virtual desktops, software platforms, applications, and data storage. These cloud services are accessed by end users through an internet connection. The cloud access can be from multiple end user devices, such as mobiles, laptops, and desktops. This setup enables seamless access to cloud services across different devices in a networked environment. There are three main benefits for using cloud platforms. Number one, ease of accessibility. Number two, tracking the changes or history features. Number three, data analysis tools. Using cloud platforms, you can access the project data from different locations at any time. For example, at DR, we are two main offices, one in KSA and one at Egypt. And normally, all our sites are at KSA where the client located. So the project data is accessible from any of those locations to be checked or revised at any time. Even at Egypt office, we are located in two adjacent buildings. So working on cloud, not on an internal server, makes it much easier in the relocating of any of the teams anywhere. We are also allowed to sometimes work from home, which couldn't happen unless our BIM projects are on the cloud, so it is accessible from anywhere. Working on cloud provides a unified platform where project teams can seamlessly share, manage, and collaborate on BIM data in real time. Its a cloud-based environment ensures that everyone has access to the most up-to-date information, enhancing efficiency and reducing errors throughout the project lifecycle. While using the normal ways, there would be a big number of hours wasted on doing the data exchange by downloading and uploading the data for the weekly or even twice a week work in progress data. But in cloud, the data is already there and you just choose when to share it with others. Secondly, you are always sure that your team is working on the latest information received with no mistake in the version or the location of the updated data. For example, while using the ACC, you can do a scheduled published for your data to make sure it is shared with other team members even if you are not in office, and avoid any human mistake of forgetting the date of sharing the information. And never worry about the security of your data. You have the ability to adjust user or company access to particular data by modifying their permissions with different level of access to read only, or edit access or full permission. As a strong document management system in SCC, there are several ways that helps in tracking the changes of the data. There is a record for each version of the data you received or sent, and you can check and access it anytime with a full history about who shared those data and when. As all the versions are stored on the cloud, so it's easy to do a compare between any two versions that you specify, with a summary of the changes and the type of the change and a visual presentation of the difference, and even it can be exported in a simple report. One of the simple but very effective feature is the automatic notification that can be adjusted once there is a new received data at a specific folder you determine. This helps to avoid missing any update. And also, one of the features that honestly I'm not sure if it exists in other cloud platforms or only in ACC is the bridge feature. It is a tool that enables automatic sharing of models between different ACC hubs. It is very helpful in different project stages, where there is a consultant responsible, for example, for the concept only, and another one will be responsible for the rest of the design development. It is also very important and helpful for the handover between multiple stakeholders, from the consultant to the client, and then from the client to the contractor at the beginning of the construction phase, for example. Autodesk Construction Cloud offers several powerful features, including design collaboration and model coordination that enables a dynamic progress monitoring. The design collaboration module provides a timeline that allows teams to track the sharing and consumption of design packages. This timeline makes it easy to visualize design progress and the exchange of information between teams, improving transparency and communication across the project. While in the model coordination module, the clash detection process is enhanced by presenting clash results in a clash matrix. This matrix visually organizes clashes, helping users quickly identifying problem areas across different model elements. The clash results are spontaneously updated as new models or packages are added, enabling teams to stay updated on coordination issues without having to manually refresh the data. This process significantly reduces rework and fosters a proactive approach to resolve clashes in real time, which leads to smoother project delivery. Doing a visual inspection, you can report any issues that you may find by creating issue reports, assigning them to team members, track progress, and set due dates to ensure accountability and clear communication. Even the user that has assigned issues will receive an automatic notification by the assignment. And once he changes the status of the issues or added a reply, it will reflect with an automatic notification to the reviewer. This structured approach aids in resolving problems, enhances collaboration, and reduces project delays or miscommunication. Connecting Autodesk Construction Cloud with Power BI provides top management with a powerful tool for monitoring project performance through real-time data visualization. By integrating ACC with Power BI, project leaders can easily access dynamic dashboards displaying key matrices, charts, and the progress indicators. This visual offers insight into the overall health of the project, enabling them to follow the status and track the performance. Moreover, the ability to visualize this data helps identifying potential problems early. Management can take swift corrective action to mitigate risks. This integration streamlines decision-making by ensuring that key stakeholders have access to the most current and relevant information, leading to more informed actions and better project outcomes. I hope you now have a general understanding of cloud platforms, how they function, and the benefits of implementing such solutions in the BIM industry. Thank you.